Dad, Baguio Mayor Benjamin Magalong just exposed corruption when it comes to government projects. He revealed that when it comes to government projects, the politician who sponsors the project usually takes home 25 to 40% of the project value, while the implementing agency takes home 10 to 15% of the project value, usually leaving only 45% of the actual budget to be used for the project. If you were mayor of Manila, how would you handle this and how would you prevent this kind of horrible and disgusting corruption?
First, leadership by example. A leader must always be a role model, just like a father to a family. Number two, benchmarking with private sector index or parameters so that you would be able to detect any overpricing. Number three, transparent methodologies and system to discourage people from overpricing or collusion. Fourth, implement tough legal measures to go after violators so that you will put them to jail, and if you do, then that will serve as an example to everybody else. Lee Kuan Yew of Singapore has done it. We can do it with firm political principles and at the same time, the moral turpitude to lead the city.
What we need are leaders who will discipline the government and prevent this kind of horrible corruption. Because when it comes to good leaders, there will be no corruption. And that's what we need to fight for in Manila. That's why we believe that in Manila, if we can make a disciplined government in Manila, we can make sure that every Manileño will become much richer and much happier with this kind of government structure.
Leadership is about self-sacrifice.
I'm Solomon Sai, ang kuya ng bayan.
I'm Michael Sai, your dad ng bayan.